It's so common and pretty and popular, the lucky bamboo plant. You can multiply this plant two different ways. The first one is by taking an offshoot. So you see this side shoot here? So what we're going to do, take your pruners and make a very, very close cut to the stalk. Okay.
There we go.
So we're going to set that down.
You got it.
All right. Now, the next part's really important.
Okay.
You're going to remove the lower leaves.
Pull them down until they snap right off.
That's right. Okay, friends, can you see this in camera stock here? Now, this is a node. The reason why we're revealing this is because this is where the new roots are going to grow from. And so that is extremely important to be successful. So go ahead and take off that yellow part.
Okay,
just do that.
Snap it right off?
That's it. And so again, this is the first part, taking an offset. And then just put it in water.
Boom.
All right?
Okay, good.
That's our first one.
Beautiful.
Okay, this is fun. I love this. Looks like a big old asparagus or bamboo.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is the original that we took it from. You can see we have roots here.
Okay.
So we're going to make a few cuttings here.
Okay.
I'm going to start from the bottom.
Okay.
So you go 1, 2, look at the nodes, 3, 4, and the nodes again is where the new roots are going to grow from.
And we want to cut in the middle of those nodes,
between
right? Between the two.
Give it a nice
Mine's
cut.
going to fall over, but that's okay.
That's all right.
There we go. So there's one.
Okay, that's one.
And now I like this that you pointed out to me earlier, is that it's really important to keep the bottoms and the tops kind of in the correct orientation.
Absolutely. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. I'm going to make this kind of long.
Okay. So there we got 3 stalks. Or you're going to make 4.
We're going to take our stalks. Take one. And then we're going to just coat the top with wax.
Okay.
I've got some red and some white.
I'm going to go red, I think.
Okay, the purpose of this, guys,
what is the purpose?
Is that all of the growth hormones of a plant is at the end of the stalk. But we don't want to grow any more foliage from here. We want side branches.
Okay.
So we have told it, you are not growing from there.
So it shuts off the growth this way and promotes growth out to the side.
That's right. So that you'll get this kind of growth here. You see how pretty that is?
How long will it take for the roots to grow, for this to really kind of...
Not long.
No?
A month or 2. Just keep it in water and change out the water every few days. You don't ever want the water to get stagnant and, yucky looking.
How do we care for it in our house?
It's probably the easiest plant to care for. And basically this is it. You put it in a container, and the most important thing is it shouldn't be too large. You see here how we have our bundle here, and there's only about ½ an inch between the plant and the rim. That's perfect. The other thing is that you use water that's not chlorinated. Okay. So, because the lucky bamboo plant is not happy with that. The other thing is, yes, do use gravel if you're growing it in water, because the gravel will anchor your plant. So you want to use at least an inch. Some of these have more than others, but that is really the most important thing. And put it in a room, but not in direct sunlight. Make sure it's just bright.
Some more information about all of Shirley's incredible projects right on her website.
Check
it all out, everybody. Thank you, Shirley.
All right, guys.